Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back. Let us continue with our exercise 13.4. So, 4 questions are left 6, 7, 8, and 9. So, today in this video, we will complete this exercise. So, I hope that you've gone through the other previous videos also. So, let us just continue with the first question. Number 6 for first question for today. Question number 6, that is, find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeters square. So we'll assume let the radius be r. Let the radius of a sphere be r. So what is given is surface area of sphere is 154 centimeter square. So what is the surface area for radius of a surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r square. That is given as 154 centimeters square. So just simplifying the left hand side, so r square will be 154 into 7, cross multiplying, 7 will go up, 22 will come down, 4 will come down, centimeter square. So 22 sevens are 154, so we have 7 into 7 by 4 centimeter square. So r will be root over of 7 into 7 divided by 4 centimeter square. So 7 root 4 is 2, 7 by 2 centimeter, so that will be 3.5 centimeter. Okay. All right, number 7 that is given is the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of the surface areas. Moon and earth, they are spheres. So, okay, let us assume let radius of moon be small r. Definitely, what do we say? Moon is smaller, isn't it? So, okay. Radius of earth be, let's say, capital R, because earth is bigger. So in that case, what will be diameter of moon? 2 times of radius. I'll just write here diameter of earth will be 2 times of r, of the radius of the earth. Question is, find the ratio of their surface areas. Okay, now given, what is given is diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of earth. 1/4 of diameter of earth. So what is the diameter of moon for us? 2r. 1/4 of diameter of earth, 2 into capital R. So let's try to get a relation from here. So r will be 2r by 4 into this 2 by cross multiplying. I'll bring it down there. So 2 cancels. We have r by 4. I'll just continue here. That means r is small. The radius of the moon is equal to 1/4 of the radius of the earth. From this equation, we get this relation. We will need this. Now the question is, what is the ratio? That is ratio of the surface area. So moon comes first. So let's write down surface area of moon upon surface area of earth. So that will be 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r square. 4 pi cancel. R, we can use capital R by 4 whole square upon r square, that is using equation 1. So if we just simplify this, that will be r square by 4 square 16. So 4 square will come down here upon r square. R square cancels. So we have 1 by 16. So the ratio will be 1:16. Okay, it's as simple as that. All right, done. We'll move on to the next question. Okay, all right, you can pause the video and note down now. Okay, moving on to, it's getting very cold, so the hand is not working. Question is, a hemispherical bowl made of steel is 0.25 thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 centimeter. So we have like a hemispherical bowl which is made of steel, something like this, and this thickness is 0.25 centimeter, and if I just consider this as the hemispherical bowl, no, something like this, not good at drawing, but anyway, and the radius of the inner radius is how much? Inner radius, let's say small r, 5 centimeters. So it's something like this. What is this? Something like this. This is the thickness. I mean, if we just consider the top part, no, because if we just consider the top part, suppose if this is the hemisphere, of course it is a solid hemisphere, let's me not confuse. So if we just look from the top part, it's going to look something like this. This is the thickness, this is the inner circle. So the inner radius is given 5 centimeter, thickness is given 0.25 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area. That means you have to find out the outer curved surface area, if we assume this to be the sphere, top part. So that means for the outer curved surface area of the hemisphere, the radius will be inner radius plus the thickness, isn't it? Because we're talking of the outer radius here, outside. Okay, so thickness is 0.25 centimeter. Inner radius, let's say small r, 5 centimeter. Outer curved surface area of the bowl. So outer radius, if we just keep it short, that will be 5 centimeter plus 0.25 centimeter. So that will be 5.25 centimeters. So find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. So that will be outer curved surface area of the bowl. That will be curved surface area of hemisphere. What was the curved surface area of hemisphere? 2 pi r square. R means capital R because it's the outer radius. So nothing is given for pi, so we will just use 22 by 7 into 5.25 centimeter whole square. So that's 44 by 7 into 5.25 into 5.25 centimeter square. So can we cancel this 49? Of course, yes. Because if we divide 5.25 by 7, 0.77 are 49, 35, 5. So 44 into 0.75 into 5.25 centimeter square by 7. So we just multiply this. How much shall we get? Let's multiply this. I'll do it directly. 44 into 0.75 into 5.25. So that will be 173.25 centimeter square. 173.25 centimeter square. Okay, chalo, done, no? Simple question. Last one. Question number, I've just written the question. So actually the question is this. My handwriting is not very good, so the question is this actually, that is, a right circular cylinder just encloses, that means just covers a sphere of radius r. Find the surface area of the sphere, that won't be a problem. Curved surface area of the cylinder, let's try to find out that. Ratio of the areas obtained in 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So I've just drawn a sphere. So if I consider this to be the radius, then even this is also the radius. This is the center, this is also the radius. Now, so let's do for number 1 first. Surface area of sphere. So surface area of the sphere. Surface area of the sphere will be 4 pi r square. But that's all. There's nothing much we can do there. Now for the second one, let's say for the cylinder, what will be the radius of the cylinder? This is the radius of the cylinder. So parallel, if we just draw, that means this one, because it just encloses, that means just fills up, exact measurement, just encloses a sphere. So radius of cylinder also will be r. What about the height of the cylinder? Because it just encloses, so height of the cylinder also, if you look at this, this is r and this is r, so r plus r, so that will be 2r. So height of cylinder h, that will be r plus r, that will be 2r. So let's find out the curved surface area of cylinder. So what was the curved surface area of cylinder? 2 pi r h. So that's 2. Let's not calculate because r and all we do not know. R h, that is 2r. So 2 2's are 4 pi r square, r into r. So this is the area from first one, this is the area for the second one. So the third one says find out the ratio of the areas obtained in first and second. So area obtained in first divided by area obtained in the second. So what is the area obtained in the first? 4 pi r square. Second, 4 pi r square. So 1 times 1 times 1 upon 1. So area is 1:1. That's all. Area is 1:1. All right, my dear children. So that winds up the small exercise of 13.4. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Study well. All the best. Bye-bye.